African Union says that the announcement of a parallel government in the war-torn Sudan risks severing the country already ravaged by nearly 2 years of fighting. The paramilitary rapid force, that is RSF, also has been locked in a brutal conflict with the Sudanese army forces, that is SAF, since April 2023 in a war that has claimed tens of thousands of lives and uprooted more than 12 million people. The war, initially sparked by the disagreements over the integration of the RSF into the army, has torn the country apart, with the military now controlling eastern and the northern Sudan and the RSF dominating the western Darfur and the large parts of Sudan. Also, RSF and its ally last month signed a founding charter of a breakaway government in a further sign of the splittering of the country. Signatories of the document intend to create a government of peace and unity in the rebel-controlled areas. Also, the AFP news agency reported, and also Millennium reported, that the African Union, that is AU, on Wednesday warned that the move posed a huge under risk of the partitioning of the country. It urged all the member states as well as the international community not to recognize any government or parallel entity aimed at partitioning the Republic of Sudan or its institution. In a statement, it also said that the AU does not recognize the so-called government or the parallel entity in the Republic of Sudan. On Tuesday and Wednesday, the European Union also reiterated its commitment to the unity and territorial integrity of Sudan. This follows a warning on the United Nations Front Security Council last week that they expressed grave concerns over the founding charter, adding that it could worsen an already dire humanitarian situation. The war in the Sudan has upended and improvised the nation, which has been into the war-tight situation. The United Nations Rights Chief Volker Turk last month warned that the Sudan was looking into the abyss and the country was facing the biggest displacement crisis in the world, with millions of people forced from their homes since fighting began. Meanwhile, nearly 25 million people are suffering from dire food insecurity, 600,000 of them who are at the brink of starvation, the United Nations recently warned.